Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and we're going to talk about some of the features on the Dell Latitude 5424 laptop, Dell's semi-rugged laptop. Now, I got to tell you, when it comes to semi-rugged as compared to, say, a Toughbook that's semi-rugged like the CF54 or FZ55, I feel like the 54 is a much more rugged, semi-rugged, if that makes any sense to you, than those two. It seems to be better built. I like the handle. The handle is nice and large, and you can grab it and carry it around pretty easily. Panasonic, not so much. So in its class, I believe the handle is one of the better ones. The keyboard is a backlit chiclet keyboard. I like typing on it. You're going to love this keyboard. You can change the color of the backlight and everything. It's got a nice area of mouse pad so that you won't get lost. And of course, touchscreen, 14-inch wide touchscreen with, guess what, a webcam right up here. It comes with a webcam, and it has a privacy cover right there, which is a nice feature. Not all laptops come with those privacy covers. You know, you're putting a piece of tape or something over it to, control your privacy. As far as ports are concerned, plenty of ports. They start out, they have, well, here's your hard drive. It pulls in and out. That's how easy it is to change the hard drive. It's got an SD card. Here's your DVD burner, CD player port right there. And of course a USB port. Now what I like about this laptop is it's got a lot of USB ports. There's two USBs here, one on the other side. That's three. This is the USB-C port. And if we look on the back here, we have RJ45 with an HDMI and the old style 9-pin serial for you guys that need to take and plug into legacy equipment. But this one comes with two, as well as a second RJ45 networking jack, which isn't bad. And if you look on this side, you'll see that USB port again. So plenty of ports. The covers themselves are actual hinges, not a rubber thing that just flops back and forth. So the port covers are very robust. That's one thing I like about this. The only thing that I have is the power port right here has no port cover. So you're going to want to be careful when it comes to splashing water on this unit in the back. Other than that, this Dell is ready, robust, solid. I highly recommend it. It's got the 8th gen processor, i5 8th gen, so Windows 11 is no problem. Take a look at it on our website. That's all I got for you this week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that I can keep you up to date on Rugged, as well as like this video for me. And I'll see you guys next week.